In today's class, I'll discuss some calculations using log table. Log m consists of two parts. Integral part is called the characteristic. Log m, log of any number, it consists two parts. We can see here there are two parts. The integral part is called the characteristic. It may be positive, negative or zero, and this decimal part is called mantissa. This mantissa will be a real number between 0 and 1. Now some numbers are written here. 5476, we have to find the value of log 5476. Log 5476. To find log 5476, we will change this 5476 into the standard form. In the standard form, 5476 can be written as 5.476 into 10 to the power 3. So what will be the characteristics? Characteristics will be 3. The power will be written as characteristics. So values of log 5476. Then how to see the log table? We will look into the value of 54 from the log table. See, we look into 54 from the log table and move along the row of 54 and come up to the column headed by 7. Come up to the column headed by 7. See, this value is 50. Here is 54. Move along the same row. Come up to the column headed by 7, that is under 7. The value is 7380. See, I have written 7380. And after that, we have to see the mean difference under 6. We have to see the value of mean difference under 6. There are mean differences given. So under 6 will come under 6. Along the row 54, the value is 5. The value is 5. Now I have written 5. Add these two, we will get 7385. So value of log 5476 will be 3.7385. So this is characteristics, this is characteristics, and this is mantissa 7385. In the same way, suppose the number is 5.476. We have to find log of 5.476. If the point is here, write it in the standard form. 5.476 into 10 to the power 0. So in the power there is 0. In the power there is 0. So characteristics is 0. So what will be the log of 5.476? Log 5.476 is equal to 0. The characteristics is 0. So 0.7385. This part is same. 547 will see 54. We'll look into 54. The value under 7, that is headed by 7, is 7380, and the value of mean difference headed by 6, that is under 6, is 5. Add these two values and you get 7385. So the value is 0.7385. How do you get? This characteristics is 0. Similarly, 54.76, it can be written as in the standard form 5.476 into 10 to the power 1. So this one is the characteristic. So the value of this will be 1.7385. This is same. All these values of log, this is same, 7385. So this is 1.7385. If it is 0.5476, so in the standard form, we can write it as 5.476 into 10 to the power minus 1. See, this is minus 1. This minus 1 is written as 1 bar. So characteristics is 1 bar. So log of 0.5476 is equal to 1 bar 0.7385. In the same way, we get 7385. 0.05476. So we can write it as 5.476 into 10 to the power minus 2. So minus 2 is there in the power of 10. So the characteristics is minus 2 or 2 bar. So value of log of this, log 0.05476 is equal to 2 bar characteristics 0.7385. This is the mantissa. We have to keep in our mind that 3 bar means minus 3. Then what is the value of 3 bar? 0.7625. This 3 bar 0.7624 is equal to minus 3. This part is minus 3 and this part is plus 0.7624. It never means that minus 3 minus 0.7624. It is equal to minus 3. This bar part is minus 3 and this part is plus 0.7624. Now we will go to anti-logarithm. Anti-logarithm. If log m equal to n, then m is equal to anti-log of m. If log m equal to n, then m is equal to anti-log of n. Example, we know log 1000 is equal to 3. So anti-log of 3 is equal to 1000. I have shown here some calculations to find out anti-log of different numbers. Suppose to find anti-log of 0.654. I have written here, when characteristics is n, the decimal point is put after n plus 1 digit. When characteristics is n bar, put n minus 1 zeros after decimal. Now, to find anti-log of 0.654, we will see the anti-log table. This is the anti-log table. We have to see, we have to look into starting with 0.65. Starting with 0.65. So 0.65 is here. Move along the same row. Come under the column 4, that is headed by 4. 0.65 in the same row. Proceed in the same row and come under the column 4. The value is 4508. So I have written 4508. Now, where to put the point? Since the characteristic is n, means n is 0 here, so the decimal will be put after n plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1 digit. After 1 digit, I have put the 0. I have put the 0 after 1 digit. Now, anti-log of 1.4216. We have to look into 0.42. Where is 0.42 in the anti-log table? This is the anti-log table and 0.42 is here. Move along the same row and see the value under 1, under column 1, that is headed by 1. What is the value under column 1? That is 2636. See, 2636. And we have to see the value under mean difference 6, under the column 6. Here is mean difference. Here is mean difference. We have to see the value of the mean difference under 6, that is headed by 6. What is the value here? The value is here 4. So this is 4. Now add these two values, 2636 plus 4, that is 2640. We get 2640. At where to put the point? I have written, if the characteristic is n, then decimal point is put after n plus 1 digit. So here it is, n is 1, so the decimal will be put after 1 plus 1, that is after 2 digits. After 2 digits, I have put the point after 2 digits. Anti-log of 2.9322. In the same way, we will see, we will look into 0.93, starting with 0.93, that is 0.93, and move along the same row. See the value under the column 2. Under the column 2, the value is 8551, and the mean difference of 2, this last digit, mean difference of 2 is 4. We add these two values and we get 8,555. So where to put the point? Since it is 2 here, so the decimal will be put after 2 plus 1, that is after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So I have put the point decimal after 3 digits. Antilog of 5.2612. In the same way, we look into 0.26, starting with 0.26, and see the value under column 1, that is the value headed by 1. The value headed by 1 is 1824, and see the mean difference under 2. The value is 1. Add these two values, 1284 plus 1, that is equal to 1825. This is 1825. Now, where to put the point? Since it is 5 here, so put the point after 5 plus 1, that is 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have put 2 more zeros. Now, if the antilog is in the bar form, that is antilog of 2 bar, 0.0318. When characteristic is n bar, put n minus 1 zeros after decimal. After decimal, you have to put n minus 1 zeros. Here we will see the value of 0.03. Move along the same row, come under 1. The value is 1074. And see the mean difference of 8. See the mean difference of 8. The value is 2. Add these two values and we get 1076. 1076. Now where to put the point? Since it is 2 bar, n bar, put n minus 1 zero. So 2 bar, put 2 minus 1. That is 2 minus 1, 1 0. After decimal. At first put the decimal, then 1 0. See 1 0 I have put. Similarly, antilog of 3 bar 0.4568. From the antilog table, look into the value starting with 0.45. The value is starting with 0.45, and see the value under 6, under the column 6. The value is 2858. And then go to the value under mean difference 8, under the column 8, in the mean difference table, under the column 8, the value is 5. Add these two values and we get 2863. So I have written here 2863. But the question is where to put the values. Since it is 3 bar, in place of n bar it is 3 bar, then put 3 minus 1. Put 3 minus 1, that is 2 zeros after the decimal. Put the decimal, and after the decimal 2 zeros. 2 zeros. If it is 4 bar, then put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Now, in this case, what we will see? We will look into the value starting with 0.79. The value of, we'll look into the value starting with 0.79. Under the column 1, the value is 6180. And in the mean difference table, under the column 2, the value is 3. Now, add these two values, you will get 6183. And since it is 4 bar here, so put 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3 zeros. That is equal to 3 zeros. Question is given, find the value of this. Now you have to take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, we get log x equal to, therefore log x is equal to log 8.7 plus log 10 to the power 7, that is equal to 7 log 10, plus log of this is equal to 10 log 1.025. Now in the log table, we look into the value starting with 87. 87 का जीरो देखेंगे तो 87 के जीरो में वैल्यू क्या है? 9395. 9395. This is the mantissa. So what will be the characteristic? In the standard form, 8.7 can be written as 8.7 into 10 to the power 0. That is, the characteristics is 0. 0.9395. Plus 7 into log 10. Value of log 10 is 1. Plus 10 into log of 1.025. The value of 1.025 will be, at first we will see in the log table, 10 का 2 देखेंगे, मीन डिफरेंस 5 देखेंगे। 10 का 2 और मीन डिफरेंस 5, तो 10 का 2 का वैल्यू है 00, 10 का 0086, 2 का वैल्यू है 10 का 2 और मीन डिफरेंस अंडर 5, द वैल्यू इज 21. If we add these two, we will get 0107. 0107. This is the characteristics. What will be the? This is the mantissa. What will be the characteristics? The characteristics will be in the standard form. It can be written as 1.025 into 10 to the power 0. That 0 comes in the characteristic, which is equal to 0.9395 plus 7 into 1, that is 7, plus 0.107. After simplifying, we will get it as 8.0465. 8.0465. If the value of log x equal to this, value of log x is equal to this, what will be the value of x? The value of x will be x equal to anti-log of 8.0465. Now how to find the anti-log of 8.0465 in the table of anti-log? We have seen how to find. We'll see in the anti-log table, the value starting with 0.04 will go up to the number, up to the figure headed by 6, and then add the value in the mean difference table under 5. We will get it as 1113. Now since here the characteristics is 8, here the characteristics is 8, so where to put the point? The point will be put under after 8 plus 1, that is 9 digits. Already there are 4 digits, so we need 5 more zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. This is the value of this. Question number 2. X is equal to, let x equal to cube root of 0.08034. Cube root of 0.08034. So you have to write in this way, 0.08034 पावर में लिखेंगे, तो पावर में क्या होगा, whole to the power 1/3. Now taking log on both sides, we get log x is equal to 1/3 log, this 1/3 will come in the beginning, 1/3 log of 0.08034, 0.08034, which is equal to, that is equal to 1/3 into log of 0.08034 is equal to 9047. We'll see from the log table. We'll see from the log table the value of 80 under head 3 is 9047, 9047, and 4 का मीन डिफरेंस देखेंगे, 4 का मीन डिफरेंस है, 4 का मीन डिफरेंस है 2, दोनों का ऐड करेंगे तो आएगा 9049, 9049. So we get 9049, and in the standard form, if we write this in the standard form, we'll get it as 8.034 into 10 to the power minus 2. That minus 2, that is 2 bar. That is 2 bar comes in the characteristic. This is the mantissa, this is the characteristic. So after simplifying 1/3, this 2 bar can be written as minus 2 plus, this part is minus, this part is plus, plus 0.9049, which is equal to 1/3 into minus 2 plus 0.9049 is equal to minus 1.0951, minus 1.0951, 1 point. After dividing, we'll get minus 0. If we divide by 3, we'll get 3650. 0.3650. Now since it is minus here, हम देखेंगे माइनस 0.3650 से ग्रेटर क्या है, एग्जैक्टली ग्रेटर इंटीजर क्या है 1. सो एड 1, दिस इज इक्वल टू प्लस 1 माइनस 0.3650. So now to adjust it, we need to take minus 1 plus 1, this it remains unchanged. Now this is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.3650 is equal to 0.6350. The value of 1 minus 0.3650 is equal to 0.6350, which can be written as is minus 1, that is 1 bar 0.6350, 1 bar 0.6350. So this is the value of log x. This is the value of log x. Therefore x is equal to antilog of 1 bar 0.6350. 1 bar 0.6350. Now we will see the antilog table. We will look into the value starting with 0.63 in the antilog table. In the antilog table, we will look into the value starting with 0.63. Move along the same row and see the value headed by 5 under column 5. Column 5 के नीचे value देखेंगे. That value is 4315. That value is 4315. So we will write here 4315 and where to put the point, since it is 1 bar. So point का बाद कोई भी जीरो नहीं होगा. Since it is 1 bar, in the antilog table we have seen 1 bar. Point का बाद क्या होगा, कोई भी जीरो नहीं होगा. 1 minus 1, that is 0 zeros. कोई जीरो नहीं होगा. The value is 0.4315. We'll do one more question. X equal to 0.9876 into 16.42 whole square divided by this. Taking log on both sides. Log x equal to, we can write it as log x equal to log of this plus log of this. Log 0.9876 plus log of this equal to, so these two comes at first, 2 into log 16.42 minus 1 by 3 log 4.567. This equals to log 0.9876. We'll see the log table. We'll look into the value starting with 0.98 in the log table. With 0.98 का 98 का 7 देखेंगे. 7 में वैल्यू है 9943 और मीन डिफरेंस टेबल में अंडर 6 का नीचे वैल्यू है 3. 6 का नीचे वैल्यू है 3. So you get this is equal to 9946. This is the mantissa. Now what will be the characteristic? The characteristics will be, this can be written in the standard form as 9.876 into 10 to the power minus 1. So 10 to the power minus 1, that minus 1 comes here, that is 1 bar. 1 bar is the characteristics. Plus 2 into log of 16.43. We'll see 16.42. We'll see the value in the log table. 16 का 4 और मीन डिफरेंस 2 देखेंगे. तो 16 का 4 में है 2148 प्लस मीन डिफरेंस 2 में है 5. So 2148 plus 5, that is equal to, so 2 into 2148 plus 5, that is equal to 2153 and 16.42. If we log of 16.42, if we write it in the standard form, then we get 1.642 into 10 to the power 1. So the characteristics will be 1.215. This is the mantissa and this is the characteristic. Characteristic is 1 minus 1 by 3 into log of 4.567. तो 45 का 6 देखेंगे. 45 का 6 का वैल्यू है 6580 और Min difference table में under 7 the value is 7. So we get 6587. We get 6587. So what will be the characteristics? This is the main disk. The characteristics will be in the standard form. This is equal to 4.567 into 10 to the power 0. So that 0 comes in the characteristic. 0 in 1 by 3 into 0.6587. Now this is equal to, if we simplify, we get 1 bar. 1 bar is equal to, it can be written as -1 plus 0.9946 plus 2 into 1.2153, that is equal to 2.4306 minus 1 by 3 into 0.6587 is equal to 0.2196. If we simplify this, we will get 2.2056. This is the value of log x. If log x equal to this, then what will be the value of x? Therefore x is equal to antilog of 2.2056. That is equal to, from the antilog table, we look into the value. Starting with 0.20, and we will proceed along the same row. Come under the head 5. The value under the 5 is 1603, and in the min difference table, the value under 6 is 2. So if we add these two, we will get 1605. So right, this is equal to 1605, and since here it is 2, so where to put the point? Here it is 2. The point will be put after n plus 1. That is n is 2 here. n plus 1 digits. 2 plus 1 after 3 digits. 3 digit के बाद 2 है. 2 plus 1 3 digits के बाद point put होगा. That is, the value is 160.1